Oh, okay.
I need stuff new. For that.
Look at all this free stuff Ricky just got. Jesus.
Yeah,
It's not some people just throw out here. Yeah, I just found some Rockford Fosgate tweeters. But let's look over here. Here, it's a whole box of coconut shampoo. Hey, Nance, shampoos?
Yes, I do.
Here's a whole box full, dude. Here's a car stereo, older one. Kraco. This whole box. That's junk though. It's missing the
Oh fuck! What?
treasure trove for you, bro.
What? No, I love that lamp, dude.
Grab some of the shampoos.
Oh come on, this is all fucking good shit, Mike.
Look at all this.
Take the whole box, bro.
Well, don't take garbage.
No, they're all brand new.
All right. That's crazy, man. What people just waste.
Cream, fuck yeah.
Ricky's gotten a field day over here.
Insane, dude.
What's this, dude?
Why do people throw away good shit? Do they know?
Something freaking just rancid here. All right.
Bad. Whatever it is. Dude, get that woofer.
Huh? I was looking at this woofer box, but it's big and bulky, dude. I don't want to mess with it.
Somebody's gonna get it. You don't, somebody else will.
It just needs the ends to it, but it's got the plates to it. I don't know, let's leave it. I don't need more bulky stuff in my life. All right. Call that a wrap here at the dump. Ricky's still digging. He's still digging. Having a good old time. So here's our trash pile here, full of this madness. Craziness. Garbage are us. We're a kid can be a kid. Look at this guy. Bringing boxes back. Hey, it's usable stuff. Craziness. So we got all that stuff from the dump for free. I'm not going to go into great detail on what it is, but I'm going to show you a couple items here that a neighbor came by and picked up and bought. This football here, ended up getting $3 for that. And I also got $3 for this Rawlings kid's glove here. So the rest of the stuff's just going to go in a pile, and we're going to end up selling it locally here. So yeah, baby, you got to love free. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Mike here. Hope you're having a great day or night. Today is garage sale hunting. Before we start doing some gigs, let's go look around and see if we can find some garage sales here this morning. There was a bunch posted up there. So maybe we'll find some treasures to flip online, locally, or maybe it's for the collection. Who knows? So let's see what we do today. Yeah, that'll work. So for $4?
Yeah.
All right.
I can't wear them anymore.
Too small?
No, I started breaking out some cotton.
Oh, really?
Cotton fishes.
So just you gotta wear polyester, huh?
We use it. You have to let it set plugged in for about.
That's what I know, that you have to let them start up.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want it for the camper?
I appreciate it, sir. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
Yeah, you too.
Couple nice little scores right here. It is garage sale haven out here today, folks. Let's go check out this one here. Ooh, they got junkage. It's a double whammy here today. They got razors, or that guy's got tools. Oh, there's Harley gear galore there, it looks like. Sir, you gotta move.
$30 for some mats. Costco.
Oh yeah,
They
they're
were all rubber.
I'll
But
take $5 for that.
for the wallet.
I didn't use that remote. I used the other one.
Yeah.
can't get a bill in the small one.
Yeah.
You got to pull them in half. Take 5 for each.
All right, that sounds like a deal.
I just think, you know, that's an O-ring, you know, for your primary.
Oh, okay.
That was been off of 11 Ultra Vincent, so it's probably fit any of the, you know, the big bikes.
Yeah. My neighbor's a big Harley guy, so anytime I see Harley stuff, I try to pick it up for him.
And you know what? I mean, we were from Colorado.
Yeah.
You need some good rain gear. You ever seen frog togs?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's what these are right here.
Oh, I see.
This one fit me, which is a large, and this one fit my wife, and it's a medium. But the bike we had was apple and black, that green color.
Yeah.
So a lot of people don't like the green.
Oh, okay.
They're very visible too.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Yeah. And this is a thing. I use this a lot. It's a day cover. It'll cover the windshield and just keeps the sun off of the.
Oh, nice.
And it was getting bad, but I mean it still works good.
Yeah.
You know,
It's a bargain. It's probably a $90.
and it was they'll get it, you know, for the big, the big bikes.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
All right, so I got these
So
here.
we got
5 each.
yeah, we got $10.
10. Okay. You don't have any Harley Davidson T-shirts you're selling, are you?
Yeah, I'm keeping all
Yeah,
this.
I usually ask me. Everybody says I'm keeping them. So.
I mean, my wife's got some, you know, but
Yeah.
I'm eventually, you know, I've got enough to make a few blanket.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I collect the older stuff like the 80s and the 90s.
Well, that's where I'm, you know, from late 60s, 70s.
Yeah.
Harry bought my red
Nice.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think I've been all my T-shirts I rode my bike.
Oh, nice. Awesome.
Pardon?
I appreciate it, sir. Thank you. Oh, how much are those?
I have an order at the on.
I'll take them. Perfect.
There's
That was
no
easy.
Harley shirts. Oh, you can have hangers if you want.
Oh, I don't need them. I appreciate it. So $2.
Yeah, you know what those are new.
Oh, I know. They're crazy.
Got $35.
No, he's keeping all his fine.
All right,
One day
thank
I'll
you.
make a quilt out of them maybe.
That's neat. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, best of luck with your sale.
Yeah, thanks.
More Harley stuff. All right.
Is this for a cell phone?
Yeah.
This thing?
You put money in it too. That way you can see how much you got. $3 a coat.
That's pretty cool.
That was a nice coat.
Yeah.
It's an XL.
Is this the real? Is it milk glass or?
Looks like a pretty decent sale over here. Let's go check it out. I need some profits, man. Seems like today's the Harley day. Lots of Harley gear. Let's see what these people got.
Gaming light yet?
No, I ain't got that yet, but I'm working on it. Okay.
Yeah.
So, and they all white.
Oh, that's yeah.
More junk. $6 for shirts. Craziness. Oh, right there. A ladder. A ladder and like 2 chairs. That's freaking nuts. Come on, man. Ain't no garage sale. It's you selling some junkage. Craziness, man. All right, so it's starting to heat up here. It looks pretty nice. I'm just cold today for whatever reason. It's supposed to be 77, but I'm still in the prowl for some profits, that's for sure. Head back this way, maybe find our sale. See if we can find some treasures. Yeah, baby. Well, they were having a sale. Looks like they're closed shop. I was just reading the sign. It said, huge sale, 7 to 1 a.m. And it's about 8:45 here today, so sale. Darn, I was getting excited. So, still cruising around here looking for some sales. Looking for some wheels and deals and steals. Alright, yard sale. This might be the last one of the day here because I'm kind of getting really frustrated just driving around. Especially in this clunker of a truck. It sucks up the gas, man. That's a cool little Camaros. Maybe an 89, maybe a 90, maybe 91, I don't know. Oh, we got some junkage over here. What kind of junkage do we have? Well, you guys have a wonderful day at your sale. All right, take care. So just finished up this landscape job. This is actually from a viewer here that watches me on YouTube, Kevin. Really appreciate it, man. Wonderful guy here, and we knocked out this yard pretty. It took some time, but the before and after pictures here look pretty good. We just knocked down the weeds in the back here and sprayed. But thank you, Kevin, for everything. Super appreciate it. Glad your yard looks great again. And I'll be in touch soon. Thank you. All right, let me show you guys what I picked up here. I spent around $18 for everything you see here. I picked up these Wetsuit seat covers. I figured I could use these for the truck because on my truck, part of the seat is ripped right there. So, plus it gets a lot of dust and everything on there. I don't know. This was only a couple bucks. I figured why not? The guy's like, I never used it. I said, well, perfect. Picked up this battery. It's from a Black & Decker lithium 20 volt. What did they have in this? It was 50 cents. I do have this drill here, and I've got 3 or 4 of these different batteries. I'm not sure if it's worth any money on eBay or not. If it's not, I'll just end up keeping it and using it myself. It was like Harley Day. I picked up 5 Harley shirts, which I'm not going to show you right now because they're just general shirts. There's nothing crazy about them. I think the earliest ones from like '98. I tried to get the one guy to sell me his collection of shirts, but he wants to use that for quilting. So I'm like, okay, kind of ruins the shirt, but hey, whatever floats your boat. This is a nice find. I paid $5 for this 2009 Harley service manual. It's a big book. Kind of all over the board on eBay, $50 and up, I think. Brand new. These things are worth some coin, man. I think these are $300 or $400 brand new. This one's obviously used, but I think I can get 40 to 50 bucks, maybe a little more, depending on how the market is. Picked up these nice Harley Wallets. I got one here. These, to me, they look to be a little bit dated, and I can't even open up one hand. There we go. That's what happens when you're cutting grass and you got arthritis in your hand. But yeah, there's got the nice chain to it. I'm thinking these are looking like maybe 80s. There's one here, maybe early 90s. Here's another one. I paid $5 each for these. There's another Harley one here. This one kind of got that look to it, a little beat up, but it looks cool. These, again, look these up on eBay. They go for some good money. They're kind of somewhat rare to some extent, but we'll see what we get for these. And then the last item here is this O-ring gasket service kit. I just picked it up. I was going to give it to my neighbor, and he's like, well, I can't use it. So, well, all right, well, I think the guy just threw the sink, so I gave him a 10 for these 2 and this. So I don't know, we'll probably just sell this on eBay or something like that. So that's a little bit of pickups here for running out for about 30 minutes at the garage sales. Appreciate you guys watching today's video. Go out there, be great. And you know what? Honestly, just go out there and find something that makes you happy, you know? Make some money doing it. Live your life. It's a great life, that's for sure. The next time I'm out of here, peace. Vlog over.